Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. So you may have this problem. When you have your drafts, you click on the draft, you would like to continue, but there's no options, and even if you click on the arrow on the top left corner, you only have a save as a draft and quit editing option. Well, this is not good, because what this means is that you recorded the video in a way where TikTok doesn't let you continue. So you recorded the video by holding the photo option to record the video. If you did this, there's no fix within TikTok. What you can do is continue editing on camera outside of TikTok if you use this button, and when you edited the other clips, you just click on this edit icon and click the plus icon here and just choose the other clips from your gallery. This is the best solution if you've already recorded a lot of stuff on TikTok. But if you haven't recorded a lot of stuff, just a small clip, then you can click this full screen icon and just start to screen record the video. And you can start a new video, but with the option of the seconds or minutes, because then TikTok later is gonna give you an option to continue with the video. Because if you do it with the photo, it somehow doesn't recognize it's a video and that you may potentially want to continue the video. So you need to do this with the seconds and minutes options. So now I recorded the video with the seconds option, and now I click on the video, and if you click on this arrow here, it lets you continue the video, and you can just tap the record icon to continue the video from where you were. But on the video that I made with the photo button here, if I click on the arrow, I don't have the option to continue with the editing. So that may be your problem, and you can only solve it with making the other clips with your camera and just putting this back in TikTok by clicking this plus icon here. Right, so all in all, this is how to continue recording a draft video on TikTok.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.